In 1929, America experienced the greatest economic collapse in the history of the nation. Banks shut down, homes foreclosed, people lost their jobs by the millions. And what did President Hoover do? He only made it worse. 4 years ago, unemployment was only at 4.3%. In less than one term as president, Hoover has caused a quarter of Americans to lose their livelihood. He pulled us out of the Dawes Plan, isolating us from world markets and devastating the international economy. President Hoover even ordered the National Guard on innocent veterans asking for nothing more than what was owed to them for their sacrifice. He killed our veterans. That's not American.